Good afternoon and welcome to MarineMax Ocean View, New Jersey. Today we are going to be taking a look at our new 2023 236 Grady-White Fisherman. We brought this boat in a full hull color in Ocean Miist Blue, with Ocean Miist Blue under the hardtop to match. We put the white 300 horse Yamaha on the back. We'll take a look at the outside. Then we'll jump up inside, take a look at the boat, some options. See the trim tabs, the boarding ladder. Boat is here in stock. Easy to see. Let's go up inside and take a look. Thank you. As we come into the 236, you can see the transom door that opens out. Boat has a live well, a fish box. We did option this boat with a ski pole. Has a seat in the back. Bolster seats. Rod holders. Storage underneath. Rod holders up top with lights. There's the helm. Tilt helm. Trim tabs. Fusion stereo. So we walk forward. The cushions are in the head. Does have the backrests. Seating in front of the helm. Full windshield. As you look down the side, you can see rod storage on either side. Open up the head, take a look. It is a plumbed porta potty. Very nice boat. It is here. It is available. Please call us with any questions. Thank you.